Hey there, welcome back to Mom Life at its finest. You can tell my kids are watching some stuff in the background, but I am getting ready to make these amazing squash pancakes that we love. So I'm gonna show you what I do, and don't mind the little kid interruptions. I've got some great little helpers here, so let's go.
First thing I do is chop up some garlic and dump that in a big mixing bowl. Then I grab a zucchini, cut off the top, and start grating it. Then I take about a 2 or 3 inch section of squash. Here I'm using butternut, but you can choose your favorite. And then I go ahead and cut the peel off and start grating that as well. Make sure I get all these good little bits here. Then I dice up some onion. Look at this cutie. At this point, I go ahead and put the pan on to start warming up. I turn the heat on to about medium-high, take some olive oil and really put a good amount in the bottom of the pan. Normally ghee or butter would be better, but I was out right now. Then my little helper helps me add some salt, some pepper. Then we add about a cup or cup and a half of almond butter. You can use your nut butter of choice, but we are addicted to this Barney butter almond butter. It is so good. Then I add an egg. Here's the fun part, getting to mix it all with your hands. Gets super gooey and messy, but feels kind of fun. Then I grab some almond flour. Our family's gluten-free, so if you had a different flour of choice, you could use that, but this keeps the recipe paleo and keto and just overall a little bit healthier for my family's tummies. Mix that in. Then I start taking a spoonful and making little pancakes out of the mixture. Add those to the hot preheated pan.
So this is the part where you have to be really careful. You can tell I put on my apron as protection, and I also really make sure that the kids are far away from the stove at this part because the oil gets so hot and it splatters up and jumps out of the pan. So be really careful at this step.
After a few minutes, when it looks like the bottom side of the pancakes is getting nice and brown, I go ahead and turn them all over.
Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell how amazing it is in here. All those ingredients mixed together in the hot pan, it just smells like heaven. It's so good.
Then when they're done, I go ahead and take them out and put them on a paper towel to just catch any extra grease and let them cool down for a bit.
Look how gorgeous these are. All right, let's give these babies a try, shall we? Did you hear? I want some. This is so good. It's so good. We got a little thief here.
I got 2.
You got 2. All right, I better wrap this up and get to feeding my kids, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value out of it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share this with anyone that is looking for healthy meal ideas, and then I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Jesse Joseph, what are you doing?
That is it, done.